Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to resume loop execution after the failure. This question was originally posted on our support forum. You will see the link in the description. So here we have very basic loop. All it does, it loops over the lines within the file. It also assigns a current loop position to this variable. So here's the file name. The file is delimited, and the qualifier is quote, double quote. So let's run it. So loop position is 0 now. Okay. Continue. Loop position is 1. So with any interaction it is increasing. So what we're going to do, we're going to save loop position into the file and check it every time we execute our loop. I have already created the demo. Here it is. So the first step we do, we check if loop position file exists, and if it does not, we just start executing loop from position 0, and if it does, we load the value from the file into the variables. And during loop execution, we check this, compare those two variables, loop position with saved loop position, and if loop position is more than saved, we carry on executing, otherwise we just skip it. So let me show you how it is actually working. Just run it. So please note that we ran it the first time, so the loop position is 0. Let's continue. Loop position is 1. Now let's break the loop and run it again. Now it should start from the next loop position. See? It is now loop position is 2. As you can see, it's not very complicated. Thank you for watching. I hope you will find this tutorial useful. And again, if you have any questions, just post them on our support forum. We will do our best to help you. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe.